Hi there, my name is Shinong and welcome to Talk in Korean. In this lesson, you will learn how to say what's your name in Korean. Okay, let's get started. Basically, there are several ways to say what's your name in Korean. First, the casual or informal version is 이름이 뭐니? One more time. 이름이 뭐니? You can just say 이름이 뭐니? This version can be used between close friends or when you ask someone younger than you. Okay? Second, the polite version is 이름이 뭐예요? One more time. 이름이 뭐예요? You can ask 이름이 뭐예요? The most polite version is 성함이 어떻게 되십니까? One more time. 성함이 어떻게 되십니까? You can ask 성함이 어떻게 되십니까? This version can be used usually in a business situation or when you ask a senior person. Okay? Here, 이름 means name. This 성함 means an honorific word of this idiom. And here, 뭐 or 어떻게 means what in English. So the word what in English can be translated into 뭐 or 어떻게 in Korean. Okay? Good. Today I've talked about how to say what's your name in Korean. In the next lesson you'll be learning how to say your name in Korean. Okay? Remember that. The key to learning Hangul quickly is practicing it as much as possible. A new video is going to be uploaded to this channel every week. If you like, click the subscribe and follow along. Thank you for watching today. See you again next time. 다음 시간에 또 만나요. 안녕.